Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to set the TradingView time zone. Let's dive right in. If you're using TradingView to track financial markets, ensuring the time displayed matches your local time or trading hours is crucial. A mismatch can lead to misinterpretations of data, which is why setting the correct time zone is so important. Fortunately, it's a simple process that takes just a minute or so. Getting started with TradingView time zone adjustment. First off, log into your TradingView account. Once you're there, take a look at the bottom right corner of your chart. You'll see the current time displayed, usually alongside its time zone, like GMT plus 4 or something similar. This section tells you exactly what time your charts reflect, which is key for making timely trading decisions. To change this, click directly on the time zone label. This action will open a drop-down menu. Don't worry, it's straightforward and user-friendly. You'll find a list of available time zones organized by region, such as America, New York, or Europe, London. Scroll through this list to find your desired time zone. Once you've located the right one, click to select it. This will immediately update your chart's time references to align with your choice. It's as simple as that. Now you can continue analyzing your charts with confidence, knowing that the time bar aligns perfectly with your local hours or preferred trading schedule. Why this adjustment matters. Setting your TradingView time zone not only helps with scheduling trades, but also improves your understanding of market dynamics based on your location. If you travel frequently or deal with markets worldwide, you can easily readjust by following these same steps. Viewing charts in the correct time zone enhances both clarity and precision, keeping you on top of your trading game at all times. And there you have it. As you can see, adjusting the time zone on TradingView is a breeze and ensures you're perfectly synced with the market times you're interested in. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to set TradingView time zone. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.